Tesla is quietly letting go of two cars that once defined the brand, Model S, Model X. But this is not a collapse. This is a pivot, because Tesla's future is no longer built only on cars. It's being rebuilt around AI and robotics. You're watching InfoByte Network. Watch till the end, because this move reveals Elon Musk's most long-term and risky strategy yet. A decision that changed everything. Tesla has never followed the traditional playbook, but this time the move felt different. According to recent reports, Tesla is cutting back and in some regions discontinuing its premium models, Model S and Model X. At the same time, Elon Musk is speaking far less about new cars and far more about artificial intelligence, automation, and robotics. This raised a serious question. Why would Tesla reduce focus on the very vehicles that helped build its global reputation? To understand this, we need to zoom out and look at Tesla's long-term vision. Why Model S and Model X were so important. The Tesla Model S was not just a car, it was proof. Proof that electric vehicles could be fast, luxurious, and better than petrol cars. The Tesla Model X was equally bold, introducing futuristic design and features no one else dared to try. These cars didn't sell in huge volumes. They served a different purpose. They built credibility. They convinced the world that Tesla was serious. But credibility has already been achieved. The harsh business reality. As powerful as these cars were, they now face a problem. Model S and X sell in relatively small numbers, cost significantly more to manufacture, require complex engineering, serve a narrow luxury market. Meanwhile, Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y sell in massive global volumes with simpler designs and better efficiency. Tesla today is no longer a niche innovator, it's a large-scale manufacturer. And scale demands focus. Luxury, low-volume models no longer fit Tesla's core strategy. Elon Musk's thinking has shifted. This decision makes sense only when you understand how Elon Musk thinks. He doesn't see Tesla as a car company. Cars were the foundation to generate cash flow, to build infrastructure, to collect massive real-world data. That foundation is now in place. The next phase is intelligence, and intelligence goes beyond vehicles. Why AI and robotics are now the centerpiece. Tesla is investing aggressively in artificial intelligence, neural networks, and robotic systems. The company's humanoid robot project, known as Optimus, is designed to perform physical tasks in real-world environments. Tasks like factory labor, warehouse operations, repetitive industrial work, assistance roles. Why is this such a big deal? Because robotics represents a market potentially larger than automobiles. A robot doesn't need fuel, it doesn't sleep, it doesn't demand wages. Elon Musk believes that one successful robotics platform could eventually generate more value than Tesla's entire vehicle lineup, and that belief is shaping Tesla's priorities. Remain untouched. Many people ask, if Tesla is shifting beyond cars, why keep any car models? The answer is simple. Model 3 and Model Y generate consistent revenue, sell at global scale, provide training data for AI, are cheaper and faster to build. They act as Tesla's financial backbone. Model S and X, while impressive, belong to Tesla's earlier era, an era focused on proving innovation. That era has ended. The strategy most people overlook. Cutting Model S and X is not about cost-cutting alone, it's about reallocation. By reducing focus on low-impact models, manufacturing becomes simpler, engineering teams shift to AI projects, capital moves towards robotics, company focus sharpens. Tesla is betting that one breakthrough in AI or robotics can outperform multiple luxury car programs. It's a bold bet, but bold bets are nothing new for Tesla. What this means for current owners. Naturally, current owners of Model S and X have concerns. Questions around long-term software updates, service and parts availability, resale value. Historically, Tesla has continued support for discontinued models, but symbolically, this move sends a clear signal. Tesla is no longer chasing prestige, it's chasing future dominance. The bigger picture most people miss. This story isn't really about cars, it's about identity. Tesla wants to evolve into an AI-first company, a robotics innovator, a systems-level technology leader. Cars were the gateway. AI and robots are the destination. Reducing focus on Model S and X marks the closing of one chapter and the opening of another. Why this move feels abrupt but isn't. To the public, this decision feels abrupt, but the signs were always there. Minimal updates to S and X, reduced marketing presence, increasing focus on AI Day events, public statements about robotics. This wasn't a sudden cut, it was a slow transition, and now it's visible. Tesla is no longer asking, how do we make better cars? It's asking, how do we build intelligent machines that reshape how humans work and live? Model S and Model X played a critical role in getting Tesla here, but AI and robotics will decide what Tesla becomes next. If this strategy succeeds, Tesla enters an entirely new league. If it fails, this moment will be remembered as a risky turning point. Either way, this decision matters. You're watching InfoByte Network, where major tech shifts are explained clearly and honestly. If this breakdown helped you, hit like. Comment AI future if you believe Tesla's future is beyond cars. And subscribe to InfoByte Network, because when tech giants change direction, we break it down first.